Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss on the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart. We'll be looking at the technical trend, technical tools, technical direction for these two cryptocurrencies. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. Alright, so this is the chart of Bitcoin. Now if you look at the momentum here, the price is going up, but you can just see that there is a very lack of trading momentum, trading activity which is there in the cryptocurrencies these days. So if you look at the current situation where the price is just taking a support at 22,600, and exactly at that level, just below that level, we have this trend line as well. So look at this trend line, right? So now the price is just taking up a support very nicely here, and till the time the price is up higher than this trend line as well as this support area, we are sure we'll be like very much okay that the price will go up. And if let's say price goes down with good volumes, we might able to see further fall. So what is there in this for this particular cryptocurrency? So what I can expect, because of the lack of trading volumes here, I might not get a very good confirmation of a downfall as of now, right? So what we can see that the price will take up a support again here, and it will slowly and slowly go up. So till the time you will not see the good volumes coming up, you will not see more buyers and sellers will be there. I think you will be seeing this kind of momentum. The small the price will go up, or the price is making higher highs, higher lows in a very small range, right? So this is something you can look at here. And again because there are very lack of trading volumes, I am not very much you know what do you call confirmed, or very much sure that the price will fall here, right? So till the time it's up by this particular level, we are okay. We will be considering that the price will go up. And now we are assuming that the price is going up. We have taken a support could be the resistance. So resistance is basically, you can take a resistance as, at 25,823. So this is the resistance for Bitcoin. Now if I look at the Ethereum here, Ethereum is also giving you the same kind of confirmation. So yesterday both Bitcoin and the Ethereum it fell down. Ethereum was fell down by 4%, and today is just hovering around at this particular area of 1725. So still and also one more or interesting thing in case of the Ethereum is that the price is still taking up a support at this 100 EMA. So till the time the price is up by this particular 100 EMA, again we need not to be worry about this whole upside momentum. So what you can expect, just see the closing price, and if that happens higher than this 100 EMA, there is no need to need to worry. There is no problem issue in that. So the price will go up only. So still because the market is open, so I'm considering the 1725 as the support area and 2004 as the resistance area. And let's see if the price closes below than 1725, we'll be changing the levels then. Otherwise there is no need to change the levels till that time. So this is you can look at here, and there is a very lack of trading activity here, and every day the price is just you can say the volumes are drying up. A very less number of people are there, and because of those people the price is not moving much because there are very less number of traders available in the market. So let's just wait for the closing price. Let's see what can happen. I have mentioned the levels here, and let's see tomorrow. Let's meet tomorrow, and please subscribe to the channel, like this video also. If you click on the notification bell icon, so that you will get notification at the right time, so that you don't miss out any further notification. So thank you so much for watching us today.